Nifty set to surge. Can it break the 23,000 mark amid AI stock rally and election optimism? Well, as a reminder, Monday is a holiday at Wall Street with stock and bond markets closed in observance of Memorial Day. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Index eked out a marginal gain in Friday's trade but snapped its weekly win streak. But that said, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq extended their stretches of consecutive weekly gains to 5. Most importantly, the Nasdaq Composite closed at a new record, driven by a rally in AI stocks. Amidst this positive backdrop, there is a bright chance that Nifty could again stand tall, and most importantly, shall aim to close above the psychological 23,000 mark for the first time. Buyers confident amidst 1. Expectations of the current administration's victory in the 2024 general elections as investors foresee the government continuing the Make in India drive to attract foreign direct investment. 2. Oil prices flirt with its 3-month lows, sluggish at $77 a barrel amid expectations that US interest rates might remain elevated for an extended period, which is seen hurting the US economy's outlook and energy demand. Focus now turns to this week's US PCE inflation to be wired on 31st May. The US Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index needs to show signs of progress on reducing inflation for markets to regain hopes of a July cut. Long story short, Nifty and Bank Nifty should continue to be very enthusiastic and embrace an all-out rally. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 945 crores, while DIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 2320 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive overbought technical conditions. FANO month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 23,500 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 21.71 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, is at 1.03 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 1.12. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Nifty, CMP 22957. Intraday support on Nifty is placed at 22,821 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 23,150 mark. Range for the day is between 22,850 and 23150. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 48972. Intraday make or break support is placed at 48,500 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at its all-time high at 49,975 mark. Range for the day is between 48,700 and 49500. Bias for the day is positive. The big question this week, will Bank Nifty hit 50,000 levels? Strictly speaking, in Friday's trade too, the Bank Nifty outperformed the Nifty 50 and formed a strong bullish candlestick pattern on the daily and weekly time frame. The positive takeaway was that Bank Nifty continues to trade above all key 21, 50 and 100 period exponential moving average (EMA). Technically speaking, this leaves the door open for Bank Nifty 50,000 plus sooner than later. Meanwhile, India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot higher above 21 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead. Volatility shall also continue to be the hallmark as FANO contracts expire this week. Among stock-specific news, Vodafone Idea's Rs 18,000 crore follow-on public offerings anchor 30-day lock-in period is likely to expire on Monday, 27th May. We will spy with one big eye if the stock faces any selling pressure.